Mia, Leo, and Aria are playing in their backyard one night when they spot a strange glow shimmering in the distance. They follow it and discover a magical boat waiting for them at the edge of a lake. The boat sails itself, taking the kids through sparkling waters under a sky filled with shooting stars. They see faint outlines of a magical island appearing on the horizon. The boat docks at a glowing beach with sand that shimmers like diamonds. The kids meet a talking parrot named Pico, who explains the island's magic. Pico leads the kids to a forest where the trees float in midair. The leaves glow softly, and every step makes a musical note. The kids must solve a riddle from a wise old tree to move forward. The group encounters a river that sings in harmonies. To cross it, they must sing a melody in perfect tune with the river. Aria discovers her voice holds the key. The kids find dolphins swimming through the sky. The dolphins offer to carry them to the next part of the island, if they can answer a playful quiz about kindness and friendship. The kids arrive at a village where lanterns float and laugh whenever someone smiles. The villagers reveal that the island's magic is powered by joy and creativity. In a garden filled with glowing flowers and maze-like paths, the kids must solve a series of puzzles to find the next clue. Each flower blooms when they answer correctly. The kids enter a cave filled with glowing dream bubbles, each showing a child's imagination. They must find the bubble that reveals the treasure's location. The kids are ambushed by playful shadow creatures who've stolen pieces of the map to the treasure. The kids must outsmart them by playing a game of tag. The kids climb a sparkling mountain where each step lights up. At the peak, they meet a friendly giant who gives them the final clue to the treasure. The map leads them to a lagoon with floating islands. They dive into the water and find the treasure chest glowing at the bottom. Opening it reveals the source of the island's magic. The treasure chest contains a magical crystal that spreads light and color across the island when returned to its rightful place. The island transforms back to its full glory. The kids return to the glowing beach, where Pico and the island's inhabitants thank them. The boat appears to take them home, but the island promises to always be there for them in their dreams. The kids wake up in their beds, unsure if it was a dream. But they find a glowing seashell from the island, reminding them of their magical adventure.